Hey, what's up guys? I'm Joe Chavez. Welcome to MachineStation, where we buy, sell, and trade CNC machinery of all kinds. Today we have a Nakamura TMC-18. A couple key features: Fanuc control. Machine comes with some tooling. We have a short program for you. I'm going to go ahead and list all the specs and dimensions down below like usual. We're going to do a complete wraparound, check the inside of the machine. If I miss anything, feel free to contact me. Why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one. Got the Fanuc control close up. Currently the machine is running, but we're going to do a quick wraparound of the machine before we dive right into the inside. Foot pedal, chip pan. This is, we have two of the exact same models, so this is two different complete machines, both equal in terms of condition. We literally have brother and sister here on the floor. One Nakamura and the other Nakamura. Both are going to look good on your floor right next to each other. Really quiet machine. Travels sound great. The spindle sounds great. Machine's in really good condition. Machine has brand new spindle bearings in it. There you have it, guys. That's a Nakamura TMC-18. If you want to see any more pictures, videos, feel free to give me a call, 909-919-9600, or for a quote, visit us at the website www.machinestation.us. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, you like the machine, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as usual, guys, thank you for watching.